Hey hypnotists, it's Kimberly Lorenz. Let's face it, standard professional hypnosis certification doesn't prepare you for the business of professional hypnosis. The real struggle comes with running your business. And let's face it, most hypnotists don't have a business degree. That's why I created HypnoPro Accelerator Insight Webinars. These monthly workshops cover a variety of topics that will give you valuable tools and knowledge to achieve professional success. Think about it. As a hypnotist, you have the power to help others unlock their true, full potential. Why not unleash your own potential as a business owner? You didn't become a hypnotist to struggle with the business side of things. You became one to help others. I'm all about helping you learn the business of professional hypnosis. These webinars are designed specifically for professional hypnotists who want to succeed fast. And whether you're just starting out or looking to relaunch your business, my HPA INSIGHT Webinars are going to guide you on the path to success. And the best part is, it's completely free. That's right, you can attend these live lessons and access all these valuable insights without spending a dime. So what are you waiting for? Join me at the next Insight webinar. It's time to have a thriving business that you truly enjoy.